That right there was aggressive. That was the side of my bike.
That was a lot of...
That was aggressive.
A lot of rock going on.
Dude, those like 4-foot root rock step ups. Holy shit.
Ride slow.
Yeah. Ride slow.
Nah.
I don't think so.
Ride slow.
Reckless riders will be cited. Can you define reckless?
Yeah, I need to know what reckless
Yeah,
means.
can you define reckless to me?
It says you're entering a multi-use trail system. You encounter two-way traffic from other trail users, hiking, mountain biking, horseback riding, and motorcycle. Ride slow. Reckless riders, RidersRide, will be cited.
All right. Well.
Reckless riders, that's my new name.
Yeah, let's do it. Reckless riders.
I love a reckless rider.
Okay. Now we're getting into the shit. Oh my god, that was the side of my bike. Oh. Yes, You're on top of Clone Peak. Today's top of the world. Yeah. Mountains back there with a little snow on them. All right. Here we are. Middle Tommy. 6.8 miles of fun. Whoop, whoop. That's pretty cool right here. Wow. Some mountain and some burn. Hey!
Hey!
What's happening? Yeah, there's some whoops on this line. going, keep it going, keep it going. Woo! Oh my gosh. Yeah! We did it!
We made it.
Woo!
We made it 100 miles.
Hey, buddy, what happened?
I went up the unknown hill climb, I ended up in the unknown rut. Looks pretty good.
Yeah, you did a good job there. That's pretty sick.
It's pretty
I mean,
stuck.
if you're looking for a good place to park it.
Hey, I need to look at my front wheel. Here we go. Good stuff.